Hello guys, we are back with another review, and today we are going to review a few 2023 mainline Hot Wheels, and we are also going to uncard them. So let's get started. So first we'll uncard the fast feline, that is actually a fantasy casting. It's a very good casting, and it doesn't actually look like a fantasy casting. It really looks like a racing car. So that's it. Next we have Rimac Nevera, and this is also a good casting of the year 2023. So let's uncard it. So this is how it looks like. Next we have Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02, and let's uncard it. Very beautiful, and this is very similar to the previous release, just the color variant we can see. Next we have 2020 Toyota Tacoma, and this was actually a chase car, like a mainline chase car, and various hobbyists were after this one, and I'm lucky to have this beautiful casting. So let's uncard it. Wow, this is really fascinating. And the final car, that is Koenigsegg Agera R from the year 2020. Now many of the people might think, why am I uncarding this right now? Because I got this last year, so, and I didn't have any kind of display shelf or something where I could keep this car, but now I have a display shelf, so I can display this car on the shelf. So I thought of uncarding this. Yeah, so let's uncard it. Very beautiful casting, and this is the OG casting of Koenigsegg Agera R. Let's have a closer look on this car. We can see the headlights, the tail lights, the spoiler is very beautiful. Just the thing I didn't like is the tires. They should have given some grip texture, I guess, but yeah, that's fine. This casting is very nice, I like it. And for the size comparison, we have Chevy Silverado next to the Toyota Tacoma. This is how they look together. Next we have Ford F-150 Raptor, because they both are the pickup trucks, so this is how they look besides each other. And last but not the least, we have Toyota Tundra, and this is how they look besides each other. Next we have Rimac Nevera for size comparison. For size comparison we have Pagani Huayra. This is how they look besides each other. Next we have Aston Martin Vulcan, and this is how they look besides each other. And last we have McLaren Senna. We have Nissan Leaf Nismo, and for the size comparison we have 2008 Lancer Evo. This is how they look besides each other. Next we have 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This is how they look besides each other. And we have Nissan Fairy Lady Z. This is how they look besides each other. And last but not the least, as it's a Nissan car, so we have its cousin, 2017 Nissan GTR R35 or koenigsegg. Size comparison with Koenigsegg Agera R, we have Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. This is how they look besides each other. Next we have Lamborghini Aventador Coupe from the movie Dark Knight. And last, as it's a Boulevard car, so we have Ford GT. This is how they look besides each other. And last but not the least, we have Fast Feline. I don't exactly collect fantasy casting, but we have Electro Silhouette or Silhouette, whatever you spell, I don't know. Next we have Spine Buster, and this is how they look besides each other. So final thoughts on these 2023 castings. I really like all those castings that were released this year, and more of the videos are coming soon on opening the 2023 cars. So stay on the channel, do like and share this video if you like. Till then, bye bye.